channel. Today I'm going to share with you my G-Wagon. It's a G500 and I'm going to change cabin air filter. I have received the part and it's very easy and a simple process. So let's get started. First we're going to pop open the hood. So once we open the hood, cabin air filter is located right here on the passenger side and it held by 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to open it. Once we open all the screws, so we're going to open it. This is the tab on the old filter. We're going to pull it out, straight out. The air filter, and as you can see, a lot of dirt inside and it's kind of dirty. So as you see, this is the old filter, we took it out. Push with the fingers up and it will come out. This is the filter holder. Keep in mind that the air flows goes down, the arrow. And the same thing, this is the new filter. And if we look at the airflow, the arrow going down. So we're going to put it inside the holder. On this side, you just have to press it a little bit. And same thing on this side. Put it inside. And that's it. It will securely seat it inside. And we are ready to install the filter. And this is how it's going to look on the other side. Let's go under the hood. This is the new filter. To install it, we're going to just put it in and it should drop in easily. And that plastic tab for the holder, just press it down. And now we're going to put the cover on. The tabbing should facing to the cutout and we're going to put the screws back in. So we're going to put all the 4 screws. First hand tight. I finished tightening these 4 screws, and that's how it's easy and simple to change our cabin air filter. Now we're going to breathe fresh air inside our G-Wagon. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will list the part number under my description in case if you want to change yours. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.